What's going on, everyone? It is the 16th of January, 2025, and we are back with an update on the pound versus the yen, GBP, JPY. Just a quick update on the trade that we took yesterday. Let's jump right into it. I first want to point out here on the weekly that we did approach the 190.05 area. And I would not say this is completely ready for a meltdown until the weekly can close below that level with a strong candle. I would like the volume to increase on this week's candle with a closure below that level to see a continued drop to the 183.88 level, which I have marked off as the daily, and I'll scale down so you can see why. Okay, obviously on the way down, a weekly closure would take out the liquidity here at the 188.11 area, also hitting our fib levels from the H4 time frame. However, the daily, you can see that liquidity level there is at 183.84. So we would target that and then see if we can then target the lower levels of 182.80 and then 180.16, but that is a much larger move. I'll show you that off of the weekly. It would be something like this. Again, if you use fibs, don't like to use them too much. But we'd be targeting the 172.88 area if we can breach the 180.24 areas. Don't think that will happen until we're able to break these prior levels. I'm taking the monthly, take care of the monthly. As you can see, we're always playing in consolidation, as I've mentioned previous times. If you can see my other videos, you can see the wicks here, lower highs being created. It's being dropped, pushed down. The spikes going lower every time. See that? Boom. Now we just got to see if this monthly closes below. But let's go back to the H4 time frame. We entered here based off of that volume bar closing. We entered, placed our stops right above here to avoid any spike in CPI, which we did. I actually had a higher position as well up here that I don't have marked off based off M30. It was a break and retest. I had this marked off here to see how CPI would react. Came right into it, and I put an entry here and leaving my stops above these highs. But I'm going to also show you this entry here. That one was based off of the H1 time frame. We saw this nice clean, again, as always, volume break. I didn't enter down here because we were going to hit our first take profit from the original position, which did give us 164 pips from our entry. So I waited for a pullback and I entered here. And the reason why I entered there, if you look at M15, I entered based off of this rejection candle right here. Okay. It was a nice exhaustion, so I took it. I saw the volume that was low. There's not much volume during the quiet hours. Obviously, we did get a pullback. And then I entered again on this stronger candle. So basically around the same area. I entered here at 190.43 and then entered again at 190.39. Basically the same entry. And I'm thinking we're going to push past these levels. That's the reason why I entered again. Because we had a nice solid closure here with the H1. Okay. And then our H4 also gave us a nice volume bar closing below the level. So I can see the bears taking full control. As you can see, there is absolutely no bulls in control. You can see here, they tried to pull back. They could not. Here, they could not. And then this closes in the next 7 minutes. If it closes like that, it is most likely just going to roll over and continue to fall. Looking at the H1 time frame, you can see lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, possible lower high, and then a continuation lower. And as you can see, the volume did pick up for the US market. So we can, in my opinion, we will see lower prices on the GBP JPY. Okay, we're currently at 190.06. Again, our targets are 188.937. I'm going to go for 188.018. And then our final one, if we can break below that, is 187.19. And as always, keeping this short and sweet, 5 minutes or less. If you like the content, make sure you boost it, share it with your fellow traders, and I will see you on the next time. And also follow. Peace out. Oh, just so you guys know that I'm not, like I said, I don't like to talk. I like to show. Okay, let's go pull this up real quick so you can see that I actually took those GJ trades. Again, don't mind the outfit. I put whatever I want on in the morning. Okay, you can see here. We had a nice $17,000 close on GJ. Okay, so peace out.